Hi, I'm Matt, product specialist here at Freeform Fabrication, here to do another video in the laser engraving tutorials, and this is how to change the workspace. So after you've done a ring engraving, sometimes you find the box changes to a shape like this, and that is to display the whole shape of the ring, so it's the full length and width of the band, which is great for lining stuff up when you're doing rings. But when you're ready to go back to a flat engraving or a larger engraving, sometimes this box can get in the way a little bit, so that's why you want to change it back to normal. So that'll be 10 by 10 centimeters or 100 by 100 mil, and that is the largest size that the engraver can engrave on. So you do this by going to File, System Parameter, and Workspace, and changing the left bottom corner to -50 on both, and then the size to 100 on both. And that is where you can see the box now has changed back to the 10 by 10 centimeters or 100 by 100 mil, and you can get on with your flat engraving. So just again, go to File, System Parameter, and Workspace, and you'll find those settings in there. And that's it for this one. So please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.